Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's still catch you right here. If you're new, subscribe button is down below, hit it, and if you're not new, welcome back home. So in today's video, this is going to be the basic. It's basically the most fun video I've ever done on my channel before. Like, this is I waited all year to do this video. This is just the natural hair trends, yes, that were ditching in 2019, the trends that we want to leave behind the old year. And I need you guys to get your tea. I have my tea here. Even your water. I even have water. Like, I'm going to be drinking this too because there's going to be a lot of talking in this video. So let's get right into this video. I have some notes written inside this my book because this is a serious stuff. The first trend we're ditching is overpriced products and the hype. Yes. All these brands that are coming up with products that are crazily expensive, that do the same work as normal cheaper products that we know. This brand, we are coming for you. We're leaving you behind in 2018. I'm sorry. And to my dear natural hair people, or hair people in general, natural hair community or hair community in general, because a product is really expensive doesn't make it better. Look at the guy that had the really big hair, Benny Harlem or who, that had him and his daughter, whatever controversy they had, and they said the products were really cheap. Olive oil at what, and he was retailing them for about $400. $400. Let me convert that to naira. 144,000 naira for oil. Sorry, what? Chimo, 144k for oil, and people were complaining that it was just olive oil. Olive oil that is for like 500 naira. That's like $2. These overpriced products. Let us just get into our heads that it is the practice that brings the progress, not the product. Practice brings progress, not the product. If you are using a 1 million naira hair product on your hair and you're not taking care of your hair well, your hair would not grow. So, natural hair community people, overpriced products are leaving them behind in 2018. We're not taking them into our 2019. Thank you. Thank you. The next trend we are ditching behind. Let me just sip some tea again before I lose. This one is actually very dear to my heart because I just started YouTube like October and this is December. Yeah, YouTubers turning their channels to advertisement hubs. Yes, I have been watching YouTube for like 2 or 3 years now, like back to back. I spend I spend at least 3 or 4 hours watching YouTube or making YouTube videos every day of my life. Yes, every day. I love YouTube. YouTube is like my own television. So I have seen natural hair YouTubers grow from time to time, grow exponentially, even though I'm just starting and I hopefully will get there one day. But then there's a YouTuber, I'm not going to mention anybody's name, if you know the YouTuber, okay, that all her videos are sponsored videos. Like, all her videos are sponsored videos. Every single video she puts, and she never says any product is bad. And all her videos are usually twist out, perm rod sets, flexi rod sets, like just the same thing. And how would you tell me that you have 70 something twist out videos on your channel? Okay, that's like something 30 something twist out videos on your channel. Are there 30 something ways to twist out, to do a twist out? I think it's only 1 or 2 ways to do a twist out, like. But then it's all sponsored videos, and so I cannot even go back. I just unsubscribed from her channel straight. I cannot go back and go and check for reviews on her channel, because you cannot claim to be a beauty blogger yet all your reviews are good. Like, oh, I love this product, it just did this, oh, I love it. No, I want your honest opinions if I'm coming to your channel. So YouTubers that have turned their channels into advertisement hubs, I'm sorry, but we're leaving you behind in 2018. Another trend that I'm throwing away in 2019 is brands, when these brands rebranding the same product with different names. I don't get. You rebrand the same products with different, you just change 1 or 2 ingredients here and there. You can be like, oh, this is our coconut oil black soap shampoo, this is our coconut oil and olive oil black soap shampoo, this is our coconut oil, olive oil and avocado oil black soap shampoo. Stop it, please. Stop. I'm serious. Just stop it. Like, I am fed up with just seeing, you see one brand that has about 60 ranges of shampoo. What am I washing? 60 different ranges. They can't tell me that as somebody will be allergic to coconut oil, olive oil, carrot oil, all the oils on one head. They say you're dropping 60 ranges. Let's just stop it. You see, and this is our cocoa butter, with aloe vera, our cocoa butter with aloe vera and almond oil. Like, stop doing it for the money. I know money is really important, but then do it. I saw somewhere that the business of business is goodness, not to be cheating people. So just try to be good. As I know you brands are really big and really huge and everything, but then just stop it. Honestly, I'm not even that. If you stop, I'm leaving you behind in 2018. Sorry, I've had my opinion, so sorry. The second to the last trend that me as a girl, as a person, I am leaving behind in 2018. Guess. Overnight growth oils. Like, I would be seeing, because I use Instagram like on a regs. I usually use YouTube like in the night. I'll just stay up all night and watch YouTube. I use Instagram on a regs. I'm always kind of online on Instagram. I'm always seeing all these, oh, use this growth oil and your hair will grow overnight. How? Sorry. How will you tell me that if I use this oil or use this oil or use that oil, my hair will grow overnight? The hair will go from this to back strap length, or should I say back brass strap length, or tailbone length overnight? How? I really want to know the chemistry or the physics or the science behind that, because it's really crazy that I think it's to extort people. You will see Edge's regrowth oil works in less than 1 week. It touches my heart. Like, it really gets to me when I see all this. Now you're extorting people. You don't come and say your growth oil will work overnight. Stop it. Don't try to use. Be truthful, or else NAFDAC will come for you. Be truthful. What do they call them? NAFDAC, all those products. Yes, they will come for you. Just stop it. Just be truthful. Don't try to. Just be truthful. I beg. You know what I'm saying? Natural growth oils that will turn your hair from this to waistline. Stop it. I beg. Next, final trend. Yes, the last trend I want to see. I'm only dropping like 5, so this is the last one that I want to see. Left behind in 20. Like, let's just straight away say it was been. Because this is actually me shading myself. Because we all know that in natural hair community, in the the hair community in general, the naturalistas we always pride ourselves on how long it takes us to wash our hair. Like, oh, it took me 30 hours to wash my hair. And I'm like, oh, it took me 32. I washed my hair so full. It took me 32 hours. Is that a thing of joy? Like, you wash your hair for almost 5 hours. What are you washing away your sins? Before, I used to wash my hair for like 2 or 3 hours. Like, I'm not going to come out here and lie. No, I used to wash my hair in like 2 or 3 hours. It took me 2 or 3 hours to wash my hair. But now, I'm not at the phase of my life that the longer you wash it does not make your hair any better. Wash your hair for 6 days. That's your headache. But then, I want us to just drop these long wash day processes. Like, let's drop that trend in 2018. Even though no normal person in their right mind would take like 10 hours to wash your hair. So why should you be saying, oh, I want to wash my hair for 10 hours? Can you stop it? Long wash day processes is the #1 trend I want to see dropped in 2019. Like, I don't want to see it in 2019 at all. Please, can we stop it? Thank you. So yeah, these are the trends I want to see date in 2019. The long wash day processes, overnight growth oils, overpriced products, YouTubers turning their channels to advertisement hubs. Can you people stop, please? And natural hair brands rebranding the same products with different names just to make money. I hope you guys like this video. Please tell me about some trends that you want to see ditched in 2019 in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on my social media at Natural Kachi or Kachi MUA. On Instagram, and Natural Kachi on every other platform. Twitter, that's also on Instagram, also on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and share with your friends with natural hair. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.